Welcome back to this YouTube channel. This is episode number 3 of our series Financial Service Cloud. So, in this series, we are going to talk about two main things about the Financial Service Cloud. One is the basic architect, then we will see the data modeling, then we will see what is financial account are. So, little bit about myself. I'm Abhishek Verma, technical lead at Silverline. I have 19 certification. I'm Trailblazer mentor, and I have my YouTube channel called Salesforce Shastra as well. So this is bit about me. Now let's move to the basic architect of Financial Service Cloud. So whenever you Google it about the architect of FSC, you will see these three layers images everywhere. But what is this layer? So let's discuss in detail. So consider this as a section of a cake. So this is the base of a cake, right? Base means here you will get the force.com, you will get the Heroku, you will get the Lightning, and whatever Salesforce basics cloud provided, this base will come with the every sales or service cloud, right? So this is the basics of a Salesforce clouds where you will get all the Lightning related IoT event data, CRM data, and everything. So this is the base. Now this base comes with the sales cloud as well, service cloud as well, marketing cloud, community cloud, analytics cloud, e-commerce cloud, IoT. It doesn't matter which cloud you use. These basic things, this base you will get in each and every cloud, right? So now where this financial service cloud is in. So whenever you use the financial service cloud, you will always get this base. So you will get the force.com, you will get the lightning, you will get the CRM data, app exchange and everything you will get. So in last video, we also say that it is the combination of sales cloud and the service cloud. So all the features of both you will get with the FSC, including that you will get the client, you will get the household, you will get the financial account, asset liability, financial goal, financial holdings, security, advisor, web app, and whatever piece financial related process is available, all the models you will get it here. So it becomes the center of that cake pie which we are talking about. So now Salesforce Financial Service Cloud also has some app exchange partners which also provide the pre-built solution that can be utilized into FSC. One is example is Conga, where you can create the documentation. You want to generate the PDF for particular account, so you can do that. So for this, you don't have to build anything from the scratch. You just have to utilize these apps, and these are the app provider in the financial service cloud app exchange. So app exchange is same for Salesforce and the financial service as well. So this is the basic architect of financial service cloud where you will get the base of all the Salesforce functionality. On the top of that, you will get the financial account. And then if you want to enhance that services, you can use the App Exchange product. Moving on to next. Now we will go little bit deep down into financial service architecture. So here in this layer, you will see you will have internal core system. Internal core system means it's related to the banking core system. Each and every banking or financial institution will have their own core system. So that will be the base. They will also have some external system based on their services. So to integrate with this financial service cloud, we can utilize the integration layer like MuleSoft or any core banking accelerator, which is already available in the market, and other services related to integration. You can use any API to connect with this internal or the external system. So this is how you can, like any financial services connected with the external system or internal system of financial services. On top of it, you will get the customer 360. In customer 360, you will get the Trailhead, Einstein Insight, Shield, Lightning, e-commerce, Quip, and all whatever customer 360 provided, you will get it with the FSC as well. So this is the third layer of the FSC architect. As I already told that it comes with the sales cloud and service cloud. So all the features of the Sales Cloud and the Service Cloud, you will get it into Financial Service Cloud as well. Also, in last video, I have discussed that you will get multiples of flows, pre-built flow according to process available in the Financial Service Cloud. So that is also the part of this architecture. So you will get the features of Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, and the flows. On the top of it, you will get the sector-specific data model. Sector-specific data model means like for banking, they will have a specific data model. For insurance, they will have a different data model, and based on the domain and the sub-vertical. Financial Service Cloud has its own data model. So this section is all about the data model. Now move to the next, functional capabilities. Functional capability means each and every financial institution has on their functionality or their business processes, if you can say. So based on that, all the unique requirement, all the unique functionality of financial services is provided by the Financial Service Cloud. So this section will cover that. Apart from that, sector-specific business process. This section means, uh, let's say one bank is there, right? They want to have some flow which will open particular account. So it's a process by process. So all these process related flows already available based on the specific business requirement that can also utilize by the financial services. So these are the main four layers which indicate in purple comes with the financial service cloud. Now moving on to intelligence layer. So here you will get sector specific analytics, like you can utilize Einstein insights for lead scoring, for the lead quality and other options available. You can utilize the AI based automation to identify the potential lead, identify any threat or something like that. You can use machine learning based prediction as well. This will be on the top of financial service cloud. You can utilize the intelligence layer. Now comes with the digital experience. So in financial services, digital experience means a lot. Like each and every bank will have their own website where user can do the internet banking using their desktop, their mobile messaging. So all these features comes under the digital experience, like desktop, mobile messaging boards. Now Slack is also available, and since I told you, it comes with the service cloud, so you can create the contact center, advisor, or any support related stuff. You can do that also. Apart from that, it comes with the partner ecosystem. Means all the partner also build their own application top of the financial service cloud. So if your requirement match with a particular product, you can install that here also. Also, you can connect marketing cloud with your financial service cloud as well. So this is the whole little bit deeper time into architect of Salesforce Financial Service Cloud. Now we are going to look at the data modeling. So this is the basic data model of Financial Service Cloud, where you will have the data model for insurance, you will have data model for interaction summary, you will have data model for mortgages, then you will have data model for action plans, then the data model for the approval and tracking. So all these data models comes differently. And when you install a financial service cloud or use the financial service cloud, it comes with a managed package data model. Means in this managed package, all the flows, apex classes, object field will be available. And this is the base, what we say, we will get for each and every data model you are going to utilize. Whether you are using the insurance, then you will also get the financial service cloud managed package data model. If you are using the banking domain, then also you will get this FSC managed package data model. And based on the subvertical you are utilizing in your organization, this data model comes differently. So now we are going to look a basic data model little bit into deep. So whatever you see in the gray is the standard data model which will come with the sales cloud and the service cloud. So it's similar like account, contact, opportunity, then you will have a account, then this is household and employer. So we will explain a little bit about this. So person account is a person who is interacting with a particular bank. Here, account is a entity. Entity means a particular organization or any trust or something which will also going to interact with the bank. Okay. So here you see the account to account relationship. Account to account relationship means what? This person can be the owner of this company as well. So this become also account, this become also account. So you can have one to many account to account relationship, and this household and the employer also have one to one relationship with using the account to account relationship. Similarly, a person account also can have a account to contact relationship. So this person account also have the contact. So this contact also can be connected with a particular company. So also you can create like account contact relationship. So a relationship between account and contact is managed by this object. A relationship between account and account is managed by this account account relationship object. So these are the two different objects which hold the relationship of this one. So let's say one person has their own spouse as well, right? So this is also contact, this is also contact. So maintaining the relationship between these two, we can use the contact to contact relationship object. Like one contact can have multiple contact also connected with each other. So here, if you want to connect this contact to contact, you can utilize contact to contact relationship. A company can have a multiple financial goals, so that can be also connected here. A person can also have the financial goals, right? So these financial goals is the another features of Salesforce, and then this is also maintained in the one custom object of the FSC. Second, if you go here, you will see the financial account. Financial account is what? One person account is there. You see here, person account is here. So this person account will have a saving account, a loan account, a car loan account, and multiple accounts. So this account is maintained in the financial service account. In this financial service account, you might have the financial holdings, you might holding the security as well. This account also have the liability that will be stored here. This person account also have some milestone, business milestone, or the personal milestone that will be stored in the business milestone. This person account and this financial role, this financial account will have some roles. So that also is stored in the financial account role. Now let's say there is some problem or alert that bank want to display on this profile. That can be done with the alert object, which is also one to many, and this is also one to many. Then moving on to next, this person account will hold some data or documents also that can also store in the identity document like your passport, your Aadhaar card, your identity document. Any document can be stored in the identity document. Now you will hold a multiple card like credit card, debit card. Then that will store in the card object. After that, this contact like a person account will have person milestone or person life event that will store in the person life event object. Then this account or company also generating the revenue, so that will store in the revenue object. This will also connect, everything will also connect with the financial service account. If you see here, sorry, financial account, we will see here. Now all the transaction will be stored in the billing statement and the financial account transaction. So this person will have some life event that will be stored in the life event object. So this is how a person's all the financial related data will be stored in the different objects like financial goals, their life event, billing statement, financial account holding. So this is how a financial service cloud data model looks like. And this is what we have for this video. Please do like, share, subscribe this video and this channel